If you love cars that make your heart race just by looking at them, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic vehicles ever made, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece, a symbol of engineering brilliance, and a legend that still turns heads nearly 70 years later. Let's start at the front. The 300 SL greets you with a face that's both elegant and aggressive. The long, sloping hood stretches out like it's ready to take flight, while the large, centered Mercedes star lets you know exactly what kind of luxury you're dealing with. The front grille is simple but bold, flanked by rounded headlights that give off a sense of character and charm. It's the kind of design that doesn't try too hard, it just naturally commands attention. Now swing around to the back. The rear of the 300 SL is just as captivating. Smooth, flowing lines wrap around to a short rear deck, giving it a clean and aerodynamic look. The small, round taillights and dual exhaust tips are understated, yet classy. There's nothing overdone here. Just pure, timeless design that still looks beautiful in any era. Take a look at the wheels and you'll see even more detail. The 300 SL features period-correct alloy wheels that bring together function and form. They're not flashy by today's standards, but they complement the overall style perfectly. Lightweight and well-crafted, they were ahead of their time back in the 50s and still impress enthusiasts today. Step inside the cabin and you're transported to a different world. The interior is cozy but full of character. You're met with real leather, shiny chrome, and a steering wheel that's almost art. The dashboard is simple, with classic dials and gauges laid out in a clean, driver-focused layout. It's not loaded with technology, but it gives you a tactile connection to the car, something many modern vehicles can't replicate. The iconic gull-wing doors don't just look cool, they make getting in feel like an event. When it comes to performance, the 300 SL isn't just about looks. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mechanical fuel injection, rare and cutting-edge for its time. With around 215 horsepower, it could reach speeds over 160 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world when it launched. The handling is tight, responsive, and balanced, especially for a car built in the 1950s. Driving it feels like you're part of a piece of history, but one that still wants to go fast. Now, let's talk price. A Mercedes-Benz 300 SL isn't cheap. Depending on condition, history, and originality, these can sell for well over $1 million. Yes, you heard that right. But for collectors and true car lovers, it's worth every penny. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in a legend. So, if you enjoyed this journey into one of the most legendary cars ever built, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Whether you love classics, EVs, or rugged SUVs, and we'll catch you on the next ride. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic vehicles ever made, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL.